Now let us discuss the 110 question. A mixture of nitrogen and argon gases in a cylinder contains 7 gram of nitrogen and 8 gram of argon. If the total pressure of the mixture of the gases in the cylinder is 27 bar, the partial pressure of nitrogen is. Now let us write the given data. Here they given the total pressure equal to 27 bar, and you have to calculate the partial pressure of nitrogen. We know that partial pressure equal to mole fraction into total pressure. Here they given the total pressure, you have to calculate the mole fractions. Now let us calculate the mole fractions individually. Here the number of moles of nitrogen equal to its mass. Its mass is 7 grams by its molar mass. Here 1 nitrogen having 14, but here N2 double the value, it will becomes 28. This gives rise to 0.25 mole. The next one, the number of moles of argon equal to its mass is 8 gram. Atomic mass is 40, 0.2 mole. Now let us calculate the number of moles of nitrogen in a mixture equal to the number of moles of nitrogen by the number of moles of nitrogen plus the number of moles of argon. Here the number of moles of nitrogen gives rise to 0.25 by the number of moles of nitrogen is 0.25 plus the number of moles of argon is 0.2. It will become 0.25 by 0.45. By dividing it will give rise to 0.55. Now substitute this value in the above formula. You will get the formula is partial pressure of nitrogen equal to mole fraction into total pressure. Here we calculated that mole fraction equal to 0.55. They given total pressure 27. It will becomes 14.85. Here there is no presence of 14.85 in the given option. The nearby value equal answer is 15 bar. 15 bar is present in option 3. So option 3 is our